How damaged is your foundation? Foundation damage can be one of the biggest headaches a homeowner can face. Without proper care, you can go from a few cracks in the wall to a flooded basement just like that. Let's go over some easy ways to spot foundation issues early on. So what should you be looking for? Let's start with your walls. Cracks in your walls, whether inside or outside, could be a red flag. These cracks can run vertically, horizontally, or even follow a stair-step pattern. Next, let's check out the floors. Cracks in the concrete floors or gaps between floorboards are also signs that something might be off with your foundation. Speaking of floors, do they feel a little off? Uneven floors, especially if you're noticing gaps between the floor and the baseboards, could mean your foundation is on shaky ground. If your windows and doors are sticking, making them a pain to open and close, your foundation's movement could be affecting your home's frame. Now let's head into the basement. If your basement walls are bowing inward or outward, that's a clear sign of foundation issues. Basically, the pressure from the soil around your house can actually push those walls in. Sometimes you'll see your entire foundation moving unevenly into the ground. This is called a sinking foundation. Not exactly what you want to see happening to your house, right? And finally, let's not forget about crawl spaces. If you've got a crawl space and you're noticing sagging floors, that could spell trouble for your foundation and the structure of your home. Now, if you spot any of these issues, it's time to call the pros. The foundation repair pros at Groundworks have the knowledge and the tools to tackle foundation problems head on. They can install things like steel I-beams or wall anchors to help straighten out those bowing basement walls, foundation piers to lift and stabilize a sinking foundation, or crawl space support jacks to restore your floors. It's important to act quickly when you suspect you have foundation problems. Give us a call today to keep your home safe and stable.